Hello and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. Vinesh Phogat has accused the Delhi police of withdrawing the security cover of the women wrestlers who will be testifying against former Wrestling Federation of India President Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. However, the Delhi police has denied the charge. Vinesh Phogat in a post on X had complained about it, to which the Delhi police responded by saying that the concerned personal security officer had gone for firing practice and has now returned. However, the wrestlers had approached the Delhi court over the withdrawal of the security. The court then issued an interim order directing immediate reinstatement of the security. Indian High Commissioner Pranay Verma in Bangladesh met the interim government's chief advisor Mohammad Yunus. He reiterated India's commitment to working with Bangladesh to fulfill shared aspirations of peoples of the two countries for peace, security and development. In Kolkata rape murder case, the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) got permission from a city court to conduct the polygraph test on the former principal and 4 doctors of the Arjikar Medical College and Hospital. A special court has issued summons to Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy. They have asked him to appear personally before the court on September 25. This is over a criminal defamation case filed by a BJP leader accusing him of making false and baseless allegations against the Saffron Party during the recent Lok Sabha election campaign. According to Hindustan Times, the psychoanalytic profiling of the Kolkata doctor rape murder accused Sanjay Roy has revealed that he is a pervert and severely addicted to pornography. He has an animal-like instinct and he showed no remorse for the murder inside the Arjikar Medical College and Hospital during the interrogation. One of the CBI officers told PTI that Sanjay Roy showed no repentance for the crime that triggered national outrage and narrated the entire crime to the investigation agency without displaying any hesitation. The Delhi police has busted an Al-Qaeda module. They have arrested 11 people and detained 3 others across Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. In this, they carried out at least 15 raids in collaboration with the police forces of these states. This comes after they received intelligence input. Then the Delhi police had registered the case under Section 61 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita on July 15th. Following which, the anti-terror unit has been gathering information about the suspects. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.